Good morning. It's day 2 in The Hague. It's freezing. I'm so cold. I haven't started to layer properly, so...
Do you have a jumper on?
No.
Oh my god,
No.
stop.
So silly me, didn't dress properly, and we're going to the beach, which is going to be ridiculously cold, so that'll be fun. But no, I had a chill night last night. It's all the gypsy jazz, which was unreal. So now we're just heading down to the beach, which is meant to be pretty cool. It's meant to be a nice lookout on a tower. We're just wandering through the park now, which is really nice. We went to get to the... I think we go past the Peace Palace, which is I think UN's Court of Justice or something, I think I read the other day. So that'll be cool to look at. There's so many like just grand buildings here, which is really nice. It's a really nice little town. But yeah, the park is lovely.
It's very grey.
Yeah, it is very grey. G'day. So, just walking. We just walked past the Peace Palace, which was cool. Didn't go in, I think I have to pay, and we are poor, so...
We're not poor yet.
We're not poor yet,
but... We need to act poor though, to stay rich.
I guess. And now we're heading down to the beach. Finally down at the beach. Just had some lunch, some weird mix of like sun-dried tomatoes, olives, carrot on sandwich, which actually ended up being pretty delicious.
It was really good.
Yeah, now we just kind of sat around this weird like art installation that's terribly depressing. Like all these weird little things that's like hanging itself. It's kind of really weird that it's interesting. It's so weird that it's interesting. But now we're going to walk down. There's a little pier over here. So one of the guys at the hostel said you can climb up to like this tower that has pretty good views. So we're going to do that. But yeah, other than that, we're going to just kind of chill out around here for a bit and slowly make our way back to the hostel. So we had a couple of drinks down by the beach and the pier. It was like a weird like little shopping centre bar bit in the wharf down at the beach, which was pretty cool. So we chilled there for an hour or so. Started walking back to the main section. But yeah, someone yesterday told us that it was only like about 20 minutes from our hostel to the beach. So then we kind of just when we started walking this morning, just kept walking, didn't think much of it, and then like kind of took a lot longer than expected. Then when we were leaving the beach, I looked how long it would be, and it was like an hour and 20 minutes. So we've just done the trek back to, we've come to a place, it's the Esser Museum or something. He was an artist that did a lot of like sort of optical illusion art and drawings. So we're just about to get there, gonna go check that out. Yeah, it should be really cool. That was really good.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Very trippy.
Yeah, it's cool learning about how he started getting into that sort of weird optical illusion art.
Tessellation.
Starting with tessellation, and yeah, it was really interesting. Some really cool art. So now we're done. It's about 5 o'clock. We're gonna try and find our way back to the hostel because we don't really know where we are. So that'll be fun. But then we're gonna do a little bit of admin stuff, and then go grab some dinner. Grab some vegan burgers, I think, which will be delicious. But yeah, wish us luck on getting back to the hostel.